Good afternoon to the people on the East Coast and good morning to the people on the West Coast. So let's start out with the Dow Jones Industrial Average daily chart right there. And we had talked about how overbought we were and that we were going to come down. And year 2020 is upon you in the very first week of January with the bull market breakout at highs. And we have what we call a daily reversal right here. That particular green line is a 10-day simple moving average, and it always has to start with a gap down to begin that overbought process to work its way down. As we can see here, the process has started with the events that have happened. So it took an emotional event, then you get a gap down, then it will start to work that overbought process off. And we're going to test the moving average, and we're going to see if there's going to be some rebalancing as we head into next week. And what I mean by the rebalancing act is how they're going to sell some of these names that have performed real well, and they're going to buy some of the other names that have not performed. So sell the winners and buy the dogs. So here we are with that reversal, with that overbought process in play at the 10-day moving average. What we would be looking for as far as the 20-day moving average, that's going to be like right up in here. So we'll see what happens at around 28, 27 on the lower end, if it could break down that below it and come down that way. So once again, it's a daily chart. It's overbought. Start year 2020 with us with your options trading and whatnot. So another thing, there's going to be a lot of headlines that will be coming out. There was a lot of market data that is not that favorable, and we have to know when we're going into a new year in January and you're going to have earnings season coming upon us, and that volatility is going to get back up there. And year 2020 will be quite different than year 2019. And the reason why I'm saying that is that you're going to have what we call big rounds of volatility to get the overall market to get the sell down to come down, so that money would want to come off of the sideline. Stocks are at their high, they're priced to perfection. The earnings ratio across the board is they're going to have to answer to the earnings, and the earnings season starts this month, 2020. So volatility picks up. Markets return to shaking out the bull run. You shake it out, you get markets on sale, you go in, you buy, you do all kinds of things. These markets are priced to perfection. And they are. And so are the equities. They've had these really big runs. And now they have to live up to a lot of expectations. And if they fall short, they go down very, very fast. In fact, they go down faster than they go up. So once again, Dow Jones daily reversal confirmation is it has to always start with the gap down no matter what. Then on the daily level, you look to see if the daily sell signal gets there and that you start breaking the 10 and the 20-day moving averages and coming down like you do in normal bull market runs. And that's what markets are about. So we're going to be monitoring it carefully. The headlines are going to be big, and the volatility is only the way for you to take advantage of the price action within the markets and the individual option trades that you're looking at in the names and the equities and where they're at. And there's a two-sided market. So you come down, you make money. When you have the bull run going up, you make money. So you make it both ways. So year 2020 is here. It's upon us. It's a Dow Jones. It's a confirmation. So just beware as we're moving forward, everyone. We have 11,100 people. And we do this for you as opposed to let you know where we're at. And we're priced to perfection at the top with a lot of forward-looking expectations that won't live up to those expectations. And the volatility returns. And that's going to be that earnings season volatility. We'll keep you updated. I'm just giving you a little brief update in general. So I do appreciate you having the desire and needing to know. That's the most important thing. So once again, Dow Jones, we've already featured how overbought we've been and whatnot, and we wish all of you a happy new year. And stay tuned with price action and spread the good news. We have many different kinds of services that addresses everything for the retail traders. We'll talk more about that on a different day. However, Dow Jones, big bull run. We will have price volatility with pullbacks. We will have a lot of emotional events that will hit the markets as we move forward in this year and this coming week and the week after. So just be very aware to protect your risk and stay tuned. That's what I can tell you right now on the Dow Jones daily chart. Overbought reversals in play. It's a happy new year. The video is longer. The people who want to get into that options trading room and make a lot of money, let us know.